In this chilling video, a doorbell camera captures a man, an ex-boyfriend, attempting dark revenge on his former girlfriend. As she answers the door, everything appears friendly, but he tries to hide the camera's view suspiciously. Naively, she invites him into her home.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
What's going on?
Nothing, just thought that I was in the neighborhood, I thought I'd stop by, say hi. Yeah.
Come in. I just got out of the hospital.
What happened?
I almost died.
What?
The video cuts, and when the audio resumes, the woman reveals she was struck by a bottle and doused in alcohol. Shockingly, he confesses he wanted to set her ablaze, but fortunately, it didn't escalate to that extreme.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house. I will. You gonna light me on fire?